Hi everyone, and welcome to this 10-minute TRX core workout. So go ahead and get your mat set up. I'd recommend a set of tennis shoes when you're using the TRX just to protect your feet. And then make sure you're set up so that the TRX definitely isn't going to fall if you're using it over a door, or you've hooked it up somewhere possibly outside at a tree, or maybe you have the awesome setup in your home. All right, so I'm going to show you two different ways to get started in this plank. So option one, you can flip up the bottom right here, put your feet in, and then you'll flip directly over from there to your hands and your knees. Now, some people have trouble with that. They get a little confused. So if you do, then the second way to do this that I think also works really easily, you gotta have some flexibility to be able to reach behind you, is you just feed a foot in and then you feed your other foot in. So you wanna make sure your knees can touch the ground as your feet are set up. And you wanna make sure as well that you don't feel too much tension pulling on your shins. So I would have it set up about a foot, a little bit higher from the ground. All right, let's go ahead and get started. We have 10 minutes of core exercises. These are gonna be hard, challenging, so do what you can. Let's get started in a high plank to warm the belly. 3, 2, 1, press up. So flex your feet, firm your core, feel yourself high off the ground, engage your low belly. Good, hold here, 5, 4, never let your hips look like this. 3, 2, and then drop the knees. Nice job. Next exercise, low plank, also known as forearm plank. So forearms down to the ground for me. Exhale when you're ready, press back, forearm plank, hold. So we're gonna use forearm plank and high plank for most of our exercises today. So make sure your legs are active. Your feet are slightly in dorsal flexion and plantar flexion at the same time. So it's kind of the middle of the two. Drop your knees. Nice job, guys. So 8 to 10 reps is what we're looking for through each different exercise. So work with me on that. Break when you need to, just by dropping the knees, but try not to pull your feet out. All right, your feet shouldn't hurt, but you'll definitely feel some tension in your feet as we move today. All right, let's get started with a knee tuck. So bring those hands forward, bring your shoulders forward. Take a deep breath in, exhale, pick up, and squeeze. Good. Let's do 8 more. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, one more, and out. Good, lower your knees. Now, next exercise, we'll drop down to our forearms for a low plank, just to give our wrist a break, okay? From here, we're gonna saw the body forward and back. 3, 2, 1, pick up. Good, tap the toes, shift. Tap and shift. Now to get more, I can shift forward so that my range of motion is greater. And if you don't have a door in your way, like I do, you may even have a bigger range of motion. Good, let's do 4. This should burn. 3, keep those hips up. 2, one more time forward, tap back. Nice, hold neutral, release your knees. Now we'll go back to that knee tuck, but we'll add a twist to it. So this time you're bringing both knees over to one arm. 3, 2, 1. Pick it up. Twist, plank, twist, plank, twist, plank, twist. Good. 8, 7, hold it. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold plank, release. Nice job, guys. That one should definitely get your heart rate up, and you should also feel your legs, not just your core. All right, forearms are gonna come down for V-ups. Now, most of these exercises can be done from the hands or the toes. It's up to you. So do the best you can, okay? 3, 2, 1. You're gonna slide back. Exhale, lift. Good, so look towards your toes. Look between your thumbs. 8, 7, raise your butt. 6, press into those forearms. 5, 4, 3, 2, one more, up, up, up. Good, knees down. All right, moving back to your palms, I invite you to take fishtail, which is where we swing our feet from side to side, okay? 3, 2, 1, pick up, swing, 8, 7, good, 6, 5, keep it tight, 4, 3, 2, 1, drop your knees. Perfect job, guys. Next exercise, knee taps. So we'll bring it back down to our forearms, okay? 3, 2, 1, slide it back, tap, reach, tap, reach, good, 8, lift, 7, lift, 6, lift, 5, good job, 4, 3, 2, 1, press, nice. Press back, get a nice little stretch. Way to go. Now, mountain climbers, which can be done from the forearms or the hands, but I think they're easier from the forearms just because you have more room, or excuse me, the hands. All right, 3, 2, 1. Sweating yet? Let's go. Slow, 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 slow. Good. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, find speed, 8, 7, good, run, 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 4, 3, 2, 1, drop. Nice job, guys. So remember, if you need a longer break than I'm giving you, that's totally cool. You can always do this video more than once if you want to do more work, or if you take breaks in between. All right, next exercise is back down on the forearms, and we're gonna combine a knee tuck and a V-up. So it should be fun, and hard. By the way, you will have to adjust your feet throughout, as they do tend to kind of slip and slide. So make sure you're always aware that your feet are set. Forearms down, 3, 2, 1. Pick up. Good, knee tuck, V-up. Knee tuck, V-up. Good, 8, 7, 6, 5, almost there, 4, 3, 2, 1, hold, drop. Good job, guys. We're gonna end here with a high plank and a low plank, and then that is 10 minutes of solid hardcore work. Now, there's more things you can do on a TRX, by the way. You can do side planks, you can do sit-ups, you can do standing obliques, but today we just focused on that plank work, all right? Let's get a quick time check and let's do this. So high plank is where we start in 3, 2, 1, and hold. Good, keep it tight right here. Engage that core, keep your back lifted. Breathe, 10. Good, strong legs, right? Everything's hugging in. Don't let those legs get soft at all. Keep them just as hard as your shoulders and your core. 3, 2, rest. Whew, stretch it back. Nice job, guys. We're gonna lower those forearms down for forearm plank. So put those babies on the ground. Take a deep breath in for me. Good, exhale, let's lift up. Forearm plank in 3, 2, 1, and lift. Nice, hold it here, super strong, super firm. Try not to move forward, back, side to side, just stay with me. 10, 9, everything's tight, right? Good, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, recover. Good, take a big press back to child's pose. So feet are still hanging, you're stretching back through your underarms. Take a deep breath in and a deep breath out. Now, I'm gonna show you this atomic push-up, which obviously includes some upper body because it's a push-up. And you can join me or not. We're gonna end with 8 of those, okay? So, option 1, start with those knees down, and then pick them up when you're ready. 3, 2, 1, plank, push-up, knee tuck, push-up, knee tuck. It can look like this, push-up, knee tuck, or even like this, push-up, bring a knee in, bring a knee in. Really, really modified, right? All right, guys, 4 more. Lift it up, down, up, 1, down, up, 2, down, up, 3. You got one more. Come on, down, up, 4. Hold it. Good work today, guys. Gently wiggle out of that TRX. Nice job. Have a seat on your heels, stretch out your feet and your hands. Good work. Now remember, if that wasn't hard enough for you, all you gotta do is start this video over and then do the same thing again. So it ends up being about 16 to 20 reps of each exercise. You're welcome to hit a timer and time yourself through them. But you guys got this. Stay strong. And if you want any other TRX videos, let me know. I have a few others already loaded on my YouTube channel now. Thanks for sweating with me, guys, and I hope you feel this the next day. See ya.